If you're someone who's looking for ways to make money online, you probably have seen this method. Make $700 a day with Google News. Make $3,000 a week with Google News. You probably have seen that somewhere, somehow. You may have had even clicked on it to find out, wait, can I really make money online with Google News? What is Google News? So in today's video, we will go over all of that. But before we do, hi, I'm Belle. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. So I'm not gonna hold you too long because it's not really in my nature to do so. So we're gonna get right into it. The best way to never run out of content ideas and to make money online, whether it's through a blog, different video-based social media platforms, is using Google News. You probably have seen this method floating around on the internet where folks will tell you to head over to Google News, which I will too. Head over to Google News. If you're new and you do not know what Google News is Google, but aggregates all of the online news publications from all the sites throughout the internet. So we got BBC News, CBS News, CNN, NPR, all of them in one area. So when you head over to Google News, news.google.com, you will see it says US, World, Local, Business, Technology. You can pick any category or niche that you may have interest in. For someone like myself, I would pick business, and under business it breaks down even further into economy, markets, jobs, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. I love entrepreneurship. I love to talk about markets and jobs and economy. So one of the things that we talk about a lot on this channel is side hustles. So I will search for side hustles. And if you want to even break it down even more, you can do side hustles AI, side hustles for moms, side hustles for teens, whatever. Google News probably have some kind of content around that. And the best part about Google News, where you can find content, ideas, is that it's usually trending content. It's usually content that folks are interested in right now and are looking for right now. So I always suggest when you're starting a new blog or a YouTube channel or any kind of video-based channel, I always suggest starting to create content. You want to have a good, healthy mix of evergreen content and trending content. And Google News really helps with the trending part because sometimes, can't keep up with everything. Yes, there's probably other ways to get all of this information, but Google News already does it for us in nice and neat way that you see everything, so you know exactly what's trending and what's going on right now. Make sure you watch this all the way through because I will be sharing how much I've made off of Google News, and it's insane. I'm not even joking. The amount of money that I've made from Google News, it's insane. Some of your favorite content creators have used Google News with trending topics and content to also blow up their channel and build their social media base. Off the top of my head, Gary Vee has also used trending content from different publications that he then shares his think piece on. So the method that most folks suggest that you guys do is to go into Google News, find a topic that you're interested in. Take that entire article and put it into a spin bot where it spins the article and rewrites the article in different language so it doesn't be the same article. After you're done spinning that article, you will reach out to someone from publications or someone from the company to see if they would be interested in using your article. And depending on what happens, you either get paid X amount of cents or dollars per word, and which equals to X amount of dollars per article. That is the way that some folks suggest you do it. And while that way may have worked in the past, but now it does not because it just doesn't. But the best way to do it, and the easiest, in my opinion, is to go to Google News the same way, find things that is related to your niche. If you're in lifestyle, find lifestyle content. If you're in science, find science content. If you're in politics, etc., etc. There's content for everyone. The best part about Google News, you never have to think about running out of content, because Google News really helps you out with showing you what kind of content is currently trending right now. So, for example, for me, since I like to do side hustle things, I would then search personal finance or entrepreneurship and then look for side hustle ideas. CNBC usually have great articles showcasing folks who have really just killed it with different side hustles. From the guy who does vending machines, or this young woman who was 17 years old and started a side hustle out of high school into college, or the young woman who started a side hustle with guinea pigs. There is a ton of examples of different side hustles, whether it's through AI, productivity methods, you name it. Like I said, some of your favorite content creators utilize this method and it has worked fabulous for them, and it will work fabulous for you too, as long as you're consistent. You know how it is. So boom. If you're someone who's introverted, extroverted like me, and you're okay on being in front of the camera, you can use this method for your video-based social media platforms. And if you're someone who doesn't care to show their face and you want to be behind the scenes a little bit, you can also use this method by screen recording your computer and just doing a voiceover and adding some B-rolls for changes of scenery and stuff like that. So this method works both with showing your face and without showing your face. And if you're someone who don't want to even speak at all, you can also write. So the easiest way to do this method is to take an article that you find interested and related to, and then do your own think piece to it. That's it. That is it. You take an article that you're interested in and you do your own commentary. You share what you think about the article. You break it down the way you see it with your point of view. And you're probably like, Belle, who cares? You'll be surprised. No one is you. And someone may hear the message much better because you shared it with them. So don't X yourself out thinking that, oh, everyone else is already doing it, I'm too late and I won't be able to do it. Absolutely not. You're 100% never too late, honestly. The creator market and content creation is really just getting started. While things may get saturated in the future, but that's not really our concern. You know what I'm saying? The universe is vast and there's always going to be opportunities as long as you do the work and put yourself out there so the opportunities can actually come to you. So, like I said, if you're someone who don't want to do video, you can blog. And if you're like, okay, Belle, blogging is too much to set up and I need to learn, you know, different things and to make it pretty, etc., etc. You don't want to do that. There's other sites out there that you can just be a writer. For example, Medium. Medium is a huge blog post. It's a huge blog site with different topics: productivity, love, relationships, make money online, and Google News is very popular there too. So you too can find examples in your niche and write it in your own way. You get inspiration from the article and you write it with your own commentary and sharing your think piece and what you feel and how it can help your readers or your viewers. And then you share it. You can share it. You can upload it up to Medium, HubSpot, and different blogging sites where you can just write. So that removes the barrier of you showing your face or using your voice if you don't want to. So that's that. So what I would suggest you do first, and that's the method I'm using, is boom. You find the article or video that's trending that you like, and then you create a blog post. You can create a blog post, you can create a Medium post, and then when you take that same blog post, you break them down in different sections, an opening, middle, and an end, and then you create a long form video. And with that long form video, you can upload it to different video-based social media platforms. And after that, you can use an AI tool where you can then take that long form video and break it down into different segments and pieces. And now you can spread yourself out even wider to LinkedIn, to Twitter, to Facebook, to Instagram, to YouTube Shorts. You can now spread yourself out even wider just from one piece of content that you created from a Medium blog post or your own website blog post. And then you do a video, long form video, then you do little videos, and you keep it going. So Gary Vee suggests this, like one piece of content can create multiple pieces of content, and you can just keep that going, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. There's never been another time that's been easier for you to be able to create content and then spread yourself through different platforms. Before, you know, you would have to only pick a couple because you would have to like create content for each and every one. But now, because of AI and because of how fast things have moved, it's allowed us to be able to do much more with very little. So if you're a team of one, you can be in a lot of places at once. That is the method, and that's how I would suggest you do it, is adding your own commentary to the article. You don't just take it and put it into a spin bot and spin it. No, that method doesn't work, and you'll be reaching out to folks that never reach back out. So the best way to do it, you add you to the article, you add you to the video, and that is your superpower. So yes, I promise you guys to share what I've made from using this same method and how I was able to blow up my channel using this exact method. So this is not like, oh yeah, you're just saying this to say this. No, absolutely not. I have used this exact Google News method to blow up my channel, and many others have done the same. So I'm pulling up a video right now to show you how much I've made just from one video because of this Google News content. So this video is from a couple of years ago. So from this method, one video, I have made over $5,000. I have videos that's made me $5,000, $4,000, $3,000 just from this method. Grab an article from Google News and then adding my own think piece and sharing my thoughts about the article has allowed me to make a substantial amount of extra side income because of this. So this is the best method to use. Literally is the best method because you can do it for blogging, you can do it for video, you can do it for podcasting. It really doesn't matter. You can use this method for anything. And the best part is it's always there. So it's always there, and Google is just amazing. So it's not just Google. You can use this same method at Yahoo or the Microsoft publication one, I think it's called. I don't remember the name. But this method will work throughout for anything. So I have been able to make over $40,000 because of this method. So that's just me. I know folks who do that in a month. So you get yourself out there, give this a shot, whether it's blogging or short form video, it really doesn't matter. But definitely put yourself out there and try. So this year you can start bringing in some extra income and really put yourself in a position to win when it comes to content creation and monetizing your content online. So that is all I have in today's video. If you made it this far and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. I hope you found this resourceful. If you want more information, I can make this a little bit more detailed. But I will be talking about how to make money with Google News more often because it is such an underrated way to do it outside of the spin-bot stuff. No. But making money using Google News by inputting your own inspiration and commentary is the best route to go. So until next time, y'all, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.